Hi, welcome to Corville Elementary School. This is the Back at Sea Meet the Teacher. In Klein ISD, every student enters with a promise and exits with a purpose. Our campus goals for this year: 1, to promote positive character traits and effective communication that builds productive relationships, and 2, raise performance of all students and close the achievement gap while utilizing best practices to ensure 1 year's growth for every student. We are Corville Coyotes. We are positive, accountable, confident, and kind. This year you'll have 2 teachers. You will have Miss Alexander, who will teach reading language arts, and you will have Miss Heaton, who will teach math and science. Let me introduce you to them both. My name is Katrina Alexander. I've been in the education profession for 24 years and have served our Klein family for 17 years. This will be my 18th, all here at Corville. Corville is very near and dear to my heart, as I have developed strong bonds with our community and families during that time. Over the years, I have followed and admired many of my former students as they go on to achieve excellence. I am the mother of 5 children, 4 sons and 1 daughter. Their names are Jarvis, Joseph, Jaden, Zion, and Rain. I am eagerly looking forward to a successful year with your children and feel very honored for the opportunity to positively impact their lives and send them to intermediate school prepared, purposed, and ultimately powerful. Your other teacher is Miss Heaton. Miss Heaton will be teaching math science. Hi, my name is Samantha Heaton. I am beginning my 29th year of teaching and can't imagine doing anything else. Some of my best memories and my most beloved times I've spent with my students and staff at Corville. I'm the mom of 2 daughters. One is going into her 3rd year as a junior at UT Austin, and a daughter that will be a senior at Klein Collins. I can't wait to jump back into school, and it has warmed my heart to see the children and the excitement they have as we embark on our journey this year. We can, we will succeed. This is the Klein Online program. For Klein Online, daily attendance is required. Daily and weekly assignments to demonstrate mastery of grade level and course content will be given. Students will be expected to follow the full instructional day plan according to the campus bell schedule and individual teachers' expectations. There will be a blend of live teaching and independent self-paced learning. They will follow the same curriculum as students in Klein on campus. There will be daily expectations for learning and progress, not just weekly completion grades. There will be daily engagement with teachers via the Schoology learning management system. And the grading guidelines are the same as Klein on campus and will count towards promotion requirements. So this is how you will join us for our online learning. You have Miss Alexander's Zoom link and Miss Heaton's Zoom link, along with our meeting IDs and passwords. Your students' assignments and any recorded lessons will be in the daily Schoology folders organized by subject: math, science, social studies, reading, and language. And here are their meeting IDs and passwords for PE and music. All of these will be emailed to you in a document later on this week. Attendance. Attendance, as always, will be taken daily. Students must be logged in through Klein Online and engaged with the teacher to be counted as present. Student attendance requirements are defined by TEA. For our attendance requirements, 3rd through 5th grade students, instructional day is similar to an on-campus learning experience. The instruction may include live, direct teaching with some instruction, and learning experiences being independent, self-paced assignments. Attendance counts, remember. These are the things that families can do to ensure that their child meets the requirement for attendance. Build regular routines, talk about the importance of regular attendance, avoid medical appointments and extended trips during the school day, keep a chart, develop backup plans, and seek support if you need it. Now, in this link, you will find our daily schedules. So here you have Miss Heaton's daily schedule for her homeroom. You have Miss Alexander's daily schedule. You have Miss Heaton's specials throughout the week and Miss Alexander's specials throughout the week. And these will also be sent to you as a link. Okay. How will families receive communication regarding their students' progress? We will be using the Remind app. We will be sending home Virtual Tuesday folders. They will not go home the first week, but they will here in the next few weeks. Class Dojo or newsletters will be sent home by the teachers, and ask your students about their learning. Students and teachers track goals and can articulate what they're learning and their progress towards mastery. Create a home learning space for them. In this video, you will be able to see how to create a good home learning space so that your child can be successful, and we will be sending out this video as a link as well. For tech support, if you still need a device or a hotspot, submit a request at the link below. You will be added to the list for the next distribution, and that date is still to be determined. And this link we will also be sharing. The GT student referral window begins September 8th and ends September 27th, and more information about that will be coming soon. There will also be Klein to Go meal stations. A few notes about the service. They are for Klein Online students only. They are based on the student's campus, grade, and eligibility. In other words, free, reduced, or paid lunches. Meals can be picked up at any of our 23 stations. Parents and students will need the student ID to pick up the meals. This will be mailed to all Klein Online students. Students do not have to be present to pick up the meals. And meal kits will include 5 breakfasts and 5 lunches. Tuesdays will be our days here at Corville to pick up meals from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. You can pick up at any of these other schools as well, or at any of the intermediate schools. They will all be stations between 7 a.m. and 8:15 for the intermediate schools. These are the best ways to contact Miss Alexander and Miss Heaton. The best time during the school day would be between 11:30 and 12:15 on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, or after school between 4 and 4:30, Mondays through Fridays. The best way to reach us is through reminder email. They are the preferred methods because we can respond quickly. Phone calls are welcome, but they may not be returned until the next business days. And any phone calls, emails, text messages that are received, after 5 o'clock will be addressed the next day. Okay. And that ends our Klein Online Meet the Teacher. Like I said, look out for those links. They will be coming home shortly. Have a good evening.